Well, hi, how are you? It's good to see you again. This is the cordage. It's like a leather it's pretty strong, that I ordered from Amazon, a red, in hopes of threading it through here, which it went through rather easily. I thought I may have to take the glass breaker off, but no. Now, I'm not a knot tying motherfucker. I mean, I can tie a knot, but all this extravagant, monotonous left, right, up and down, sideways, through the bunny hole, that stuff kind of like frustrates me. So anyway, so today we're going to try something here. So today the bead came in. It came out of China, and it took a while, and I was like, finally I was like, hey people, where's my stuff? And they wrote back and they said, do you want a refund? I said, or no, do you want us to resend it? Well, yeah, that would be cool. So it took about another 2 weeks, and here they are, little tiny. It's like he's got a Nazi-like helmet on. Nicely done. I thought it looked shitty there for a minute. Got a Nazi helmet with a little emblem on it. They gave me 2 of them, so I don't know why. And they gave me this other cordage and a lanyard, or I'm not quite sure what it is yet because I haven't opened it. Okay, they gave me some cordage. You know, that cordage may work better on this thing than the red. You know, we'll find out. And a squid, octopus, octopi. It said, I am a gift, thank you. Please give me 5 stars, blah, blah, blah. So there's the little other bead. So I wonder, you know, let's try this green one, because it's like a little thicker. Let's see if I can fit that in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut the end off. Ow, fucker! The stick stuck me. Okay, let's cut the end off. I'm gonna have to go get a lighter. Right, 5 minutes later. Let's see, let's burn this. And on top of burning it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it into a point. Okay. Okay, yay me. I got it. Alright, now, you know what? I don't think this octopus is really going to look good in between. So I'm just going to do something simple. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to tie a little knot. I'm going to get this hat out of the way because it's really kind of makes a good backdrop, but it's kind of annoying me a little bit. And I get annoyed really easy. Okay. I'm losing patience with just a little teeny weeny little knot. You can imagine if I was trying to do something that too. You can imagine. You can only imagine. Okay. So there's a foobar looking knot. Okay, that's okay. Alright. What we're gonna do here. Go ahead. Cut that off right about there. Fire. 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 Let me tell you something. Before you blame me, if you guys burn these ends and then roll it around in your fingers, this is hot. It will stick to your fingers. You have to be prepared. Okay? Don't be like, you made me burn myself and I'm not very happy with you. You need to put a disclaimer on your video. Do not try this at home because I got 3rd-degree burns and Okay, I only expected 1 bead, but they gave me 2. So what we're gonna do here is I got 1 on there. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna tie another nifty little knot. Now, if I had 3 strands coming through, I could probably loop and knot and all sorts of fun stuff, but I don't. Now, if I put that octopus looking thing on there, see, the octopus really doesn't go with the theme, you know. I wonder if I got another bead. Hold that thought. Okay, well, I didn't find another bead that I want to use, so what we'll do here is we'll just tie another knot. Okay, which that'll look fine. I mean, hey, I'm an amateur. I don't do this. I don't have the patience. I do not have the patience to do this. Okay, so we'll put that on there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. And what we're gonna do here is we'll tie another knot. Okay, tuck it in there. Tie another knot. And we'll just leave them hanging down like that, you know. And so there we go. We got a improvised lanyard with some beads. And I even got a free gift from China. Okay, we'll burn that. And so yeah, that kind of like, you know, kind of like goes with the theme. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That'll work. That's cool. Neato, dude. I did it. Gave me on to the next project. And I even got red string now. Oh well, I'll find something for it. I gotta go. I'm very busy. We'll see you. It's always a pleasure.